Lidia Espíndola, and I want to improve my English writing. I saw that I have troubles in some areas like the plural, verb tenses, etc. And I thought that I would improve my grammar exercise if I look some exercise online. However, this was not enough, so I decided to read some church magazines like Ensign, New Era, and Friends, and I decided to read 2 articles every day. Then I will look for adjectives, preposition, phrases, all the things that can help me to improve my English writing, and also practice writing a paragraph too, at least 1 paragraph. And I know at the end of this I will write thoughtful sentence with good grammar. Thank you and good weekend.